Hey guys, this is Devin from Neptune Design. Today I just want to make a video about how to switch from your single opt-in Mailchimp email sign up to a double opt-in Mailchimp email sign up. Now, for those of you who don't know what a double opt-in is, I have done a video about the differences between the single and the double opt-in, but just to give you a quick overview, what it basically means is that once the client signs up or puts their email in the field and pushes join to join your email list, they will then receive a second, thus the word double, email just to confirm whether they are a real human being and whether the email is real or not. Okay, so how do we go from a single opt-in to a double opt-in, or how do we switch in between the two? Okay, I want you to log into your Mailchimp. Once you're in your Mailchimp, I want you to click on Audience. Okay, once you're in Audience, I want you to click on Manage Audience and then go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you're going to click on Audience Name and Default. And once you get to Audience Name and Default, you will see Enable Opt-in. Yep, and it's about that simple. This has been Devin for Neptune Design. If you're interested in any conversion tracking, please visit us at neptunedesign.co.za or like or subscribe if you like this video. Thank you very much.